This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Amber Patrick. Great country property close to Macomb. This 3-bedroom 2.5 bath offers a big fenced-in yard, a detached 30/x40 heated workshop with 10.5 ceilings, concrete floor. Workshop has an attached 15/x40 storage area, dirt floor. Central air replaced 2016, AccuAir. Furnace replaced 2017, AccuAir. Family room offers new hardwoods, all water lines, water heater, sump pump and pump backup battery replaced 2019. For more information, review the details below or contact Amber Patrick at 309-833-4577.